as promised, I decided to take you guys with me to get my hair done today. I'm gonna be getting a silk press and trim my ends. Also, she's gonna be washing my hair, so that is why it looks like this. Boy, I'm gonna look rough on camera. My hair needs a trim really bad. Alright guys, so I'm here at ULTA. I need like a, cause this is giving, yeah, I'm gonna get these two. So for my next collab, this company by the name Yanibest. Ooh! I just told y'all, I love me some. Hey KK squad, as promised, I decided to take you guys with me to get my hair done today. I'm gonna be getting a silk press and trim my ends. Also, she's gonna be washing my hair, so that is why it looks like this. Boy, I'm gonna look rough on camera, but you guys gonna see the end result. I'm gonna look beautiful again. It's 1:54 p.m. my appointment is at 2, so come along. Why my hair look brown on camera, but my hair is jet black? It looks, maybe it's the sun. I'm gonna take you guys inside with me, so come along the journey with me, guys. Let's go.
I'll wrap to the bookers, okay? Time to get your dog. I need you to call a paint.
Now that the paint's ugly furniture is gone.
My hair needs a trim really bad. I need a trim really bad, like. Got my hair blow dried. Now I'm gonna get a silk press.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, bitties spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching this bitch, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bang. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Where light, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it.
Oh my gosh, it's literally 90 degrees. I just got done. I'm trying to hurry up and get out of this weather so my hair don't revert, because I need this to last. But my hair, I got done. Let me say this so I could remember. I'm gonna put clips to the side right here. This is my 3rd time getting a silk press from her. Her name is Tiffany. I'm gonna put clips when I did it the 1st time right here, and the 2nd time. So this is the 3rd time. Let me head home because in the car it's so hot. It's 90 degrees outside. And wait, I'm heading to ULTA to grab something for my fiance. He's so big on skincare. That's where I'm getting my skincare motivation from, because he has very nice skin. So he asked me to grab something for him. So I'm heading to, oh, my lips dry. So I'm heading to ULTA. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Oh my gosh, I was talking the whole time with something on my lip. That was from me eating a snack. But let's go. All right guys, made it to ULTA. Let's go in before the crowd. before the crowd. It's crowded. Let's go in before it get late, because I want to get home, record these videos. I have a couple videos to record. Bruh, I be reading these messages because I'm using my phone. Oh my gosh, I lost one of the earrings. I'm trying to put some earrings in because I took out the top earrings when she was doing my hair. Okay, I found it. All right, let's go into ULTA, guys. So I'm here at ULTA. Let's go in and see what they have. So he sent me to get this serum for him. It's a skin serum. Yeah, I've never seen this brand before, but
sorry.
No, it's okay. I came here for him and I'm grabbing something for myself. I'm gonna get these body sprays because I love them. Wait, where's the pistachio? I'm gonna get one of the pistachio. I want number 68. I wish they had number 68. Let me ask somebody. This one is giving like a warm smell. I need like a flower smell. I might get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get these two. I'm gonna get number 40. I've never tried that one. And 62. Thank you, you too. Alrighty guys, time to head out of this floor. Man, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. And it's 5:18. Oh, by the way, my hair took like, oh my gosh, like sometimes I'm always missing like key points because my hair took a little bit longer than usual. She was telling me how thick my hair is, and trust me, yeah, I believe her, because it might not look like it on camera, but if you guys look at my old videos, you'll see how thick, like my hair is really thick. That's why I'm paying to get my hair done, because back then I had the patience for my hair and I used to do hair videos and stuff, but these days I just can't do the hair videos. So it's now, I left there like around 4:15. I got there like at 2, and yeah, but she's pretty fast, she's pretty good, she's always on time with, you know, she does a really good job with my hair. She cut the ends because I had really bad split ends. It's been 7 months since I got a trim. She did all of that, so she got your girl looking good. It's growing. Anyways, 5:19. I'm about to head home because I have 2 more videos to record after this vlog, plus a company sent me some hair accessories I'm gonna put at the end. That's gonna be the next clip when I get home. So, but let me show you guys what I got really quick. So like I said, I got number 62, I got number 40 that I've never got before. I always get number 68, and then I also got this for Ian. I don't know what he know about skin serum, but tell you, this dude is on his skincare. He been on skincare for years. That's why he has nice skin. And I asked for some samples. I was asking for perfume samples. They gave me, what the hell is this? Something that I'm not gonna be putting on my face. What is this? Youth activating. Oh yeah, Lancome. My skin is so sensitive, I cannot be using any and anything on my face. It might work for some people, but it's no. So that's that, and it's time to get back to the crib. See you when I get to the crib. Wagwan, beautiful people. I can't even tell you how many days later this is. I don't even want to tell you guys. It's not that bad, but it's kind of bad. It's a couple days later. Yeah. So as you can see from the last clip, I got my hair done. And with this weather, plus me taking a shower, I don't know, but the first 2 times I was so much better with maintaining my silk press, but this time it still looks good like this, but to have it down, it's bigger now. So yeah, this is my hair. Couple days later, I'm still gonna try push through with this look, see how long it will last. That's besides the point. Oh, before I get into this promo collab that I'm about to show you guys, I'm gonna show you what I am wearing today. I don't know if you guys remember from my last vlog, I did a collab with a clothing company called Dressing Clothing, Dressing Official, Dressing Social. And I told you that in each video, in each vlog, I'll be sharing with you items. While I wear them, I'll be sharing with you guys. So this is the sweater top. It's very thin, so it's not even hot. It says Laguna Beach, California. Go check out my previous video and you will see the fashion haul for dressing that I uploaded. So for my next collab, this company by the name Yanibest. Like I always do, I always leave the name on the screen, all the information in my description box, and all the links to these items. So they sent me a couple items and I'll be sharing them with you guys. So they're called Yanibest Official. They have like hair accessories. Alright, so the first thing in the box is pillow scrunchies. Luxury satin for better hair health. I love me some satin scrunchies, satin pillowcase, satin bonnet. Give them all to me. So as you can see, it says Yanibest pillow scrunchies. My natural nail just bent backwards. Oh my gosh, that hurt so bad. Anyway, and they're all my favorite colors. Oh, it's also a hair massager in it. I love these. I already got one of these a couple years ago from a hair company with the heating cap. Ooh, and it was pink. Where is it? I don't know. So this is a scrunchie, my favorite color, pink. And also the brush massager, my favorite color, pink. These are so cute. Definitely will be wearing this. I should put this right here right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I should wash it first. Needed. I love anything that makes me comfy. That's the scalp massager and that's the scrunchie. So they actually explain to you, like they explain about their company and what they're about, everything on the packages. Like their packaging is so nice. At Yanibest, we don't just want our customers here to shine, we want their confidence to shine, we want their self-worth to shine, and we want their positivity to be contagious. That's why Yanibest greets its customers with shine on. They explain everything to you on their packages. It's so cute, like thicker and lighter, hold your hair in the cloud, smoother and softer, spa your hair in the air. So cute. All right, so the next thing is wake up and be radiant. Yanibest Shine On hair health treatment, your trustable hair helper. Hair soft, moisturized, tangle free, anti-frizz, anti-static. What is this? Oh, satin bonnet. Ooh, I just told y'all I love me some satin bonnet. I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Ooh, so fancy. I love this. Not like the regular hair store, beauty store. They just throw it in a bag and give it to you. This is actually okay. Comes with, it's so put together. Like, I love this. wash and care instructions. You know, it's just like, oh my gosh, I love an organized company. I just love that. I love that for Yanibest. Let's look at the satin cap. Okay, my type. Like the one that I'm wearing right now is black with butterflies all over it, and this is exactly how it looks. But this one oh, I take that back. The one that I'm wearing now, around the edges, feels like cotton, and I feel like that's why my edges are not being protected properly and thinning. But Yanibest came through with some blessings, and this one around the lining is actually satin. Here is satin. It feels so good. Should I mess up my hair, try it on? No. Let me see. No, you're messing. Yeah, this is gonna fit perfectly. Chef Krissy in the building. All right, oh my gosh, don't mess up your hair. I also have their little tag on the outside that says Yanibest. Love that for me. Very cute. I love this. Pink is also my favorite color. Pink. They have more colors, guys. They have more colors, but you know I'm gonna pick my favorite color, of course. I said to them, listen, send me everything all pink. If you don't have pink, figure it out, because your girl is obsessed with pink. Call me Pink. Call me Pinky Explorer. Let's see what else. We got another box. Another cute little box. It says the same thing like the first one. This one is, oh, pillowcase. Pillowcase. Oh, wow. It's 2 sets of pillowcases. These things get me really excited. And guess what I just noticed on it? I don't even want to look. I'm gonna look. It has zippers. So they definitely stain on the pillow. Ooh. The only issue is the pillow that I put my head on is king size pillow, because the bed is king size, so I got king size pillows. But we have 2 smaller pillows on the bed that I just might have to use when I'm using this pillowcase. Yeah, this will definitely fit the twin pillows, because I have king size pillows and twin pillows. Is it twin? Yeah, king size and twin. So I'm gonna have to put this on. I'm looking, guys, don't mind me, I'm actually looking at the pillow. I love this. It's the same pink as the bonnet and the hair massager and also the scrunchie. So that's it. They were supposed to send me a shower cap, and the shower cap was supposed to be the same color as the bonnet, the same color like everything, but they were out of stock. So they told me for the next video, the next collab with them, I'll definitely get the shower cap. So let's see. I am excited to go wash these right now. I'm gonna get them washed, light washed in the washer, and also with the bonnet, because I actually want to try these out tonight. They feel so good. Like, I want to lay my face on these, but they gotta be washed first. Same with the bonnets. Same with, even though I put the bonnet over my hair, but like the outside touching the pillow and the, yeah, everything gotta be clean. My OCD is crazy. that's it for this unboxing by Yanibest. Like I said, I'm gonna leave all the information here on the screen, also in the description box, so you could check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I want to upload this tomorrow, Sunday. Wait, what's the date today? Oh, 4/20. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, share, comment down below your thoughts on everything in this video. Thank you guys for your support and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.